Problem of female obesity in India more than males. Friends, females are the most those individuals which can make a fortune of males or of this world. That's why it is really important for every female to take care of her health. If you are a female and if you are watching this video, then today I like to tell you about the what are the three main causes which you can compare with your life, which may be the main cause of your unfitness or your unhealthy life. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to achieve their dream personality and I help them to achieve an extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, female obesity is more than the male obesity in India, especially those females which are housewives. They are more overweight and more obese than any other individual in India. Although the males are out of 7 out of 10 males are already comes under the overweight, but still the average female in India is more overweight than males. That's why it is really important for every female to take care of her health. But at time it does happen, a person however hard he tries, but he cannot help it. But in India, females must need to concentrate on their fitness in their way, because if she is going to fit, then not only her child, her husband, her son is going to be fit, but the whole family, and it's going to impact the whole society if females know that the how to become fit and how to adapt a fit lifestyle. Whether you want to believe it or not, but we all are made up of our own culture and the way we lived our life. The fitness was not the part in my family, but my son already consuming a good food automatically, and he's already fit because he has inherited the things from me. But I did not have anyone who to whom I can inherit the fit lifestyle. We all just believe that the dals, pulses are the good sources of protein, although they are if we combine it with the grains like the wheat and rice. But we need to consume them 3 times in a day, in breakfast, in lunch, and in dinner. Then do you consume the dal chawal in breakfast? No, because you always compare it with a whole lunch or dinner. But our body does not understand the meaning of all this. Our body understand about the protein, carbohydrate, and fats, and nothing else, in which there is no essential requirement, like there is no essential amino acid and there is no essential fatty acids. Or we have only requirement of essential amino acid and essential fatty acids, but not the pure carbohydrates in our life. But still we consume more tea, still we consume more grains in our life. This can be the problem. But today I like to talk about that why females are obese or overweight in India. The number one cause. The number one cause is the females of India, they do not have the knowledge about the diet, that what kind of food they should cook or they should have in their family. I remember that one day my aunt is just telling to my uncle that now you need to consume good diet in your life, you should not consume outside food. But although one day I asked her that can you leave your tea in the morning without sugar, then she got surprised and she got amazed, because she cannot leave the tea and she is consuming more than 5 teas in her daily life and she is not fit. So that's why fitness is a lifestyle. And once not only the junk food which we are consuming outside, but what kind of food we are consuming at our home, it is also an important thing. Friends, the second cause of the female obesity in India, that they do not build any relationship with the workouts. If we ask to a female that can you lift the weight, then she is going to say that how could I? It is a man thing, not woman thing. But the science has some different ways on this. The science says that if a woman is going to lift the weight, then her muscles cannot be grown because she does not have the male's hormone into her. The way the only impact of the weight which is going to come in her life or in her body is that she is going to be fit and she will become beautiful. But every female, so many females just think that they're going to get the male hormone, she will look like males, but they are wrong. You can always use your body weight or the weightlifting to reduce your obesity or your weight, because it works fast. And it is, as of now, in metros and all the cities where there are very less grounds for playing, you can adapt a good habit of the home workouts with the weights. The third problem. The third problem is the big problem. There is lack of family support. I remember that if I wish that my mother could insist me to go to the gym, and I would really happy for her to book a membership now. But we usually do not support us, the females of our family, to initiate the process of fitness in her life. We do not support them so that they can have some guidance of the coaches, they can have the guidance of the some dietitian, they can have the uh, they can have the knowledge about the fitness coaches in her life. First of all, they are not they are many of the females are depends who are housewife depends on their husband will and their mother-in-law will. But we need to understand this thing, that if a single female going to have the knowledge about the fitness, it will impact the whole society, it will impact the whole family, because she is going to make your fortune in a fit way. You just don't need to do anything if the female of the home knows about the fitness. Not only your generation will going to get the benefit, but you are the absolutely first person who going to get the benefit if the female has the power of fitness. And that's why please encourage her and please support her to get the fitness in her life. Friends, if you want to start your health journey, then I have created an ebook for all of you, so that not only you're going to know about my health journey, but you're also going to know about the diet schedule and the workouts which you can adapt in your life to make the changes in your life. Friends, if you want to reduce your up to 10 kg, and I'm not talking about the months but in the days, then definitely you can contact me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.